Okay, the next topic is torque acting on a particle. So for that we have considered a particle, okay, P on the xy plane. Okay, it lies on this xy plane. Suppose its position vector is OP, which is equal to r with respect to the origin O, and F be the force acting on that particle. So F is the force acting on the particle and its position vector is r. So the torque will be equal to r cross F, vector r cross vector F. So torque is defined as the vector product of r and F. So tau vector is equal to vector r cross vector F, or its magnitude will be equal to Rf sin theta, and the direction of the torque is perpendicular to the plane containing vectors r and f, because we know that if we will take the cross product of two vectors, okay, a cross b, then the direction of their cross product will be perpendicular to both a and v, or you can say it is perpendicular to the plane containing vector a and vector b. Similarly, the direction of torque is perpendicular to the plane containing vector r and f. Okay, so and to find out the direction we can use the right hand thumb rule, okay, right hand rule or screw rule. So this is the direction of r, okay, direction of f is this, or we can draw at this point a force F. okay, इस फोर्स को हमने इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, ठीक, and the angle between these two is theta. So to find the direction of r cross of, what will we do? We will take our right hand such that our fingers will curl from r to f like this. So from r to f, so thumb is upward, so the direction of the torque will be along the z axis, which is r cross f. Okay, it is along the z axis. Now there are three special cases. In first case, if theta is equal to 0 degree or 180 degree, in this case sin theta will be equal to 0 and the torque will be 0. Now in the second case, if the value of theta is 90 degree, in this case torque will be Fr sin 90, and sin 90 is 1, so it will be F into R, which is the maximum value of the torque. So torque will be maximum when R and F are perpendicular. Okay, so line of action of the force is perpendicular to the position vector, then the torque will be maximum. Now if when R is maximum, then torque due to the force is maximum. Okay, so this is all about torque.